Uh, there are a lot many good things happened in last week. We started interacting with lot many individuals one by one or in a small groups to understand their challenges and help to understand the inner circle platform and bring them back to the normal. So I'll I'll let me introduce our new president, Mr. Harihar Sharma. So last week itself, he's been redesignated as Harihar Sharma is as a president now. So
thank you for the trust. Thank you, team, for the trust. Thank you.
Congratulations, Harihar ji.
Thank you.
Congratulations to
So
the dynamic man.
So this is the one change. Second change was, there are a lot many people, they found it very difficult to be a regular as well as contribute into a leadership team. So we are now in again, on a mission to identify right contributors who can be more contributing into leadership team. And you guys can really nominate if you are really interested to put hard work. So real contributors we want who can take some charge, some initiatives, and take this IC team to a next level. So let's start with today's meeting. I'll request Manish ji to start the introduction session for all.
Thank you, Virenji. So first of all, I would like to invite both Rajesh ji and Amit Chavla for introduction. You can start with Rajesh Buddharaja ji.
Okay. Good morning, Rajesh Buddharaja. I live out of New Delhi. I am 67 years young. I did my chemical engineering from IIT Kharagpur about 44 years ago. And I've been in the corporate for 42 years in companies like Thermax, Punj Lloyd. My last assignment was with Roots Cooling as Director of Operations. I've essentially in my 42 years done a lot of brand building of organizations. I have successfully launched a lot of products. And one of my passions used to be whoever used to work with me, I would train them into leadership skills so that I can take life easy and they can take on after that. In the last 2 years, I set up a knowledge platform called ZS India. In this platform, what I've done is I've invited and handpicked experts in the area of air conditioning, natural ventilation, instrumentation and control, MEP services. These are people with about 30-40 years of practical experience in the industry. And this knowledge platform offers a consultancy to companies to run their systems more optimum, to create good indoor air qualities. So that's me, Rajesh, out of New Delhi. I have 2 sons, both IT specialists, one in the US, one in Prague. And my wife is a wellness coach. So that's me, Rajesh Buddharaja from Delhi.
Yeah. Rajesh Pandit ji.
Okay, Rajesh. Good morning, everyone. I'm Rajesh Pandit, founder director of Amicus Infotech Private Limited. Ours is an IT company, and we are mainly in the development of web as well as mobile applications. And we have been providing our services globally in almost all the continents, and have products like for e-commerce, learning management system, and one of our product is Salesforce automation product. So later on, say once I have talk in another session, I'll just go deep into this Salesforce automation product. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. So my name is Amit Chavla. I'm 54 years young, 13 years younger than Rajesh Buddharaja. I'm a business clarity coach with 3 decades of corporate leadership experience in the software tech industry, and a Joe Stock speaker and author of the Amazon bestseller book, The Clarity First. My last role in the corporate world was about for 7 years, where I grew the company almost 10 times. Nowadays, I coach entrepreneurs and business owners in attracting and retaining high-paying customers that will accelerate the growth. And I do that through my personalized clarity coaching session from my office called Clarity Hype in Gurgaon. My gift for the week for the team is Amit Roy. He's a business storyteller. And my ask would be entrepreneurs of software companies that are into digital transformation, like orangemantra.com. You can check them out, with 50 plus employees and 10 CR plus revenue in India. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Amitji. Now I would like to invite Yogesh ji, Satya Gupta ji, and Mithlesh ji for introduction.
थोड़ा होने दो जन के बाद I'll do it. Yeah.
Yeah, so let me take this opportunity. I'm Satya Gupta, a social entrepreneur from New Delhi. Let me copy our colleagues. I'm 64 years young in that case. Of course, now WHO have declared up to 65, you are young actually. That is the official declaration by WHO. So I want to use that. So I'm basically doing now a nation building project called making Atmanirbhar Connected Bharat, and I'm chairing a new forum called Bharat IPv6 forum, which I'll be managing myself. Of course, it will be sponsored by some government entities. The two names are already there: ITI, Indian Telephone Industries, and NIXI, National Internet Exchange of India. So they will be helping me. Our objective there is to create our own root server for the internet in India. It was not there earlier, as some of you may know. The internet had 13 root servers, 11 in US, 1 in Europe, and 13th in Japan. And no other country had a root server. And root server is the nerve, control, heart, everything of internet actually. Other than root server, everything is public or shared or distributed. Only root server is the main thing. And that is what we will aim to create in India, our own. In addition, I also spending time in my social enterprise called DigiGam Foundation. All of you know it. I've written a book called Long Tail, Walking the Extra Mile on Broadband, Rural Broadband Business. That has resulted into two nation building statements from our Honorable Prime Minister. One was made on 15th of August, where he told that 6 lakh villages in the country have also been connected with the optical fiber. Earlier, all governments have been talking about Gram Panchayat level, that is 2.5 lakhs. They had ignored the 4 lakhs villages after Gram Panchayat. So I wrote a chapter in the book 2 years back, and that led to the Prime Minister making that statement. The second one, which you know, is the PM Money, Prime Minister Wi-Fi Access Network Interface. That came also from my book, last book, and I'm now making use of that to create micro operators in villages through my Udmi Bahu. So in these, as you know, you are all required to support it. These are very game-changing projects. So with that, I think enough for today from my side. Thank you.
Mithlesh ji.
Good morning to all. I'm Mithlesh Jha. We are primarily into international freight forwarding, logistics, specialized in over-dimension cargo. We help exporters and importers in their logistics planning. From 1 kg cargo to 10,000 metric ton cargo, we are handling commercial cargo especially. Our head office is at Nehru Place, and our office is at Singapore. Warehouse is at China. Just handle one shipment of multi-tax for consigning Aramco. It is ODC cargo from Mundra to Jeddah. So oil and gas sector we are handling, we are dealing especially, and any connected to importers and exporters will help to me. and I can connect people to oil and gas sectors company Multitex Filtration. So for any logistics need, my company TGIS India, one window solution. So with the CHA license, on CHA license, our offices at different places, our agency network will be helpful. Thank you.
Thank you, Mithlji, for your introduction. Now, I would like to invite Sukhdeepak ji, Sonali ji, and Atul ji.
All right, so I'll begin. My name is Sukhdeepak, and I'm 68 years young. Okay, so that makes me the oldest one, and I live in Mumbai. I have spent the first 13 years working for corporations right up to 1982, where I worked for, the last job I held was with a German multinational company. Since then, I've been in the world of training, coaching people internationally. I've coached and trained people in about 17 countries. And I work on doing hardcore transformational programs which will transform people from inside to out. And I have a long list of companies, which includes an organization called the United Nations Development Program, where I've done change management programs. Now, let me share about my last success story. So one multinational company approached me last year, towards the end of the year. They said, we've got these 4 vice presidents, and we have identified certain specific leadership competencies that we want you to improve. So help them to do that. So I did these one-to-one coaching sessions with them for 3 months. And the results were so good that the company got in touch with me day before yesterday, and they said, sir, please do this for 3 months more. Their performance has improved. Their teams are happier. The productivity has gone up. They are taking much more initiative, right? Not only that, they've decided to, or rather they've already given me the order to do another batch of another 4 people, right? And my ask today, very specific, is that, gentlemen, if you are slightly curious to find out what I do and how I can help you, please do get in touch with me. Right? Let's have a one-to-one and let's find out how I can help you, and maybe help you to help others also who are there in your network, whether it's as a company or on a one-to-one basis. Because even in the world of healing, I've written 3 books on Reiki, and I've done that a lot in other healing modalities also. So I'm a mixture of a whole lot of things that I can offer. So mere tarkash mein bahut sare baan hain. You get in touch with me, you'll find out how I may be of use to you. And that's what I'm here for. So thank you very much.
Master nahi hai na?
But master bhi hai, sir.
Yes, good morning, everyone. I'm Sonali Joshi. By profession, I'm art therapist. Actually, I'm having 12-year experience in art therapy. Art therapy, it's a combination of art and psychology. And in this field, we do counseling and art therapy sessions for kids also and for cancer patients also. Basically, I'm working in both the areas. Kids like those who have problem like those kids who are slow learner, dyslexic, hyperactive kids, or those whose fine motor developments are not fine. So such on such kind of kids we are working, and cancer patient, any age group. My another vertical, we are manufacturer of craft kits. These kits are based on art therapy also. And more about kids and kits, I will discuss in create session. Thank you so much once again, Sonali Joshi, for Kids and Kids, crafting your child's happiness.
Yeah, so my name is Atul Puri. I work with businesses, small businesses primarily, to help them grow their business. So this I do with 2 interventions. One is I help them design their business. This can be either a training or a coaching. Second is I run a platform called eGrowth, the platform on which we've engaged today. So this is to give the flexibility to small businesses to engage with other businesses at their pace, and in turn have quality conversations which can result into business. This is about me.
Thank you, Atulji. Now I would like to invite Hariharan ji, R.K. Misra ji, and Anand Pol ji.
Thank you, friends. My name is Harihar Sharma. I represent my firm called as Bhavani Shankar Intex and my brand called as Handyman Multigrain Pop. Thank you all for being here today. Wonderful day. In fact, my products is made out of multiple grains, which is made out of rice, wheat, jawar, bajra, ragi, oats, flaxseed, and till. We bake it at a temperature of 280 degrees temperature, and we form a pop. We are zero oil, zero sugar, zero cholesterol, zero trans fat, and zero preservatives with 5 calories per serving. We are a ready-to-eat snack with a shelf life of 6 months. We have 2 outlets today at Nasik, one at Big Bazaar, Nasik Road, and one at Metro Cash and Carry. We have distribution at Panvel and at Dadar, Mumbai. We are looking for expansion in the fast-moving consumer goods segment, FMCG segment. Anyone who's into the fast-moving consumer goods food distribution is the ideal connect that you could connect me with. We are looking for distribution pan-India. So do connect me with like-minded people who are into the food distribution. Thank you. Signing off, Harihar Sharma.
Thank you. I am R.K. Mishra from telecommunication domain. I am engaged in consultancy for all verticals of telecommunication. Our office is in Delhi, Barakamba Road. We provide the telecommunication licensing. It's all kind of licensing, then any issues regarding with the all regulatory affairs and auditing of the company. Anybody who is interested in government affairs, I can assist them anywhere. If you find that there is some issue which is pending with government and the government is not taking rightful decision, which is in fact right. So there we can facilitate with our connects in different parts in government services. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everybody. Myself, Anand Kaur. I'm based at Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Almost 45 years of the industrial plus chamber experience in the region. Having skills related to the functional mapping in Microsoft, Navision, in SAP, and in Oracle. I have already given trainings for the skill development, and I am having expertise in the change management, which I had undergone the training with Renault Consultants, and looking forward to meet you all shortly, most probably in the February first week. We'll be organizing the meeting at Aurangabad with Mr. Ingle and with some industry associations where we'll be able to take things forward. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to invite Sripat ji and Biren ji for your introduction.
Yeah, good morning, everybody. This is Sripat Kulkarni from Srisan Technologies Private Limited, Nasik, Maharashtra. We are manufacturers of automobile components and switchgear components and metallic shells required for switchgear industry as well as electronic industry. We also have manufacturing unit independently for HVAC requirements from duct end to AHU, entire air distribution. We take turnkey basis projects also for centralized air conditioning and ducting work. Thank you again. Sripat Kulkarni, Srisan Technologies Private Limited, Ambad, Nasik, Maharashtra.
Thank you, Shripaji. Let me introduce myself. Good morning, everyone. My name is Virendra Ingle. I'm a serial entrepreneur, business coach, retail franchisee coach, and sales and distribution consultant. Having 20 plus years of experience into corporate and work for companies like Tata, Sony Pictures at a very senior level. Currently, I'm on a mission to help solopreneurs, SMEs, and MSMEs to create a next level leaders to autopilot their business by one-to-one business coaching. My biggest client is Tally accounting software, where I'm currently, helping them in developing their channel partner ecosystem. I'm also helping around 40 companies in Pune and Mumbai for developing their next level leaders and reach out to their right targeted customers. My ask will be to an industry connect and a business owner, those who are aspiring to grow their business to a next level and autopilot their business, those who are keen to take that step in their life. My give will be 30 minutes call with all these business owners. It is applicable to you as well as your references. And I am also offering my app, which is BizMIS, which get integrated with Tally or sync with Tally and give you all the management information systems on your mobile. So I'm offering that absolutely free to eGrowth members for first 3 months, and after that 50% discount on the price, which is at only 900 rupees for a year per user. I'm also running 5 companies, one into pharmaceutical retail chain. I have my brand called Medico Point. My brand, another product is CDATE, that is Center for Development in Engineering and Technology, where we are training fresh engineers and placing them into corporates. So this is all about me, Virendra Ingle from Pune. Thank you.
Thank you, Virendra. So, Yogesh ji, are you available with your introduction?
Yes. Thank you, Anish ji. I suddenly realized I'm feeling very cold, so I had to change my. That's the reason I said I'll take it up later. Okay, thank you. So my name is Yogesh Wadhwani, and our company's name is Shrill Medicom Private Limited, and in the category of hospital infection control. As you will realize that the hospital infections worldwide are somewhere around the rate of 33%, and in India it is as high as 46%, which lead to a death rate of around 64%. So we work in that area to reduce and prevent these infections. So we provide services as well as products to reduce these infections. So services involve training, involve certifications, audits, and the products involve all the personal protection wear like masks and gowns, disinfectants, and other equipments to test and reduce these infections. Apart from this, also have products which are used for patient hygiene inside the ICUs and the wards. So my gives will be doctors and hospitals in my connects, and asks also will be the hospitals in your contact sphere. And yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Yogesh, just a small request. If you can send the brochure or the details on my WhatsApp number, I'll be of some help to you in Aurangabad.
Sure, sir. I'll do that. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you, Yogesh ji. So now I invite our guest for today. So first of all,
I feel Manish ji, some are remaining. Dipti Sharma is remaining for introduction, and I feel Aditya Singh is remaining. Let them introduce themselves.
Definitely, sir. That's I'm saying na ki I'm calling guest. Yeah. So Aditya ji,
Manish ji, Dipti is not a guest. She's a member, permanent member.
Sorry. या तो आदित्य जी
मैं सुन पा रहा हूं। मुझे लगता है कि पहले आप अपने परमानेंट मेंबर से सुने तो बेहतर रहेगा, या मैं शुरू करूं?
आप इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए।
थैंक यू साथियों, सबसे पहले मैं हरिहर जी का बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूं जिन्होंने इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे मुझे इनवाइट किया 2 लाइन्स उनके लिए। जो भरा नहीं है भावों से जिसमें बहती रसधार नहीं, जो भरा नहीं है भावों से जिसमें बहती रसधार नहीं, वो हृदय नहीं है पत्थर है जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं है। आप सभी लोग भारत में रह के जिस तरीके से राष्ट्रीय उत्थान के लिए, समाज के लिए अपना अपना योगदान दे रहे हैं अपने अपने क्षेत्रों में, ये मेरे लिए गर्व का विषय है कि मैं आपके इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आ पाया हूँ। मेरा नाम आदित्य सिंह राजावत है। बेसिकली मैं ग्वालियर का रहने वाला हूँ। पिछले 20 वर्षों से लाइफ इंश्योरेंस और रियल एस्टेट में काम करता हूँ। वर्तमान में मैं नासिक महाराष्ट्र में हूँ और पिछले 2 वर्षों से ज्यादा से मैं मैक्स लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी का नासिक का हेड हूँ एज अ असिस्टेंट वाइस प्रेसिडेंट। मुझे इस बात का गर्व है कि नासिक में आने के बाद मुझे छोटे छोटे इंडस्ट्रीज के माध्यम से जो स्ट्रगलिंग इंडस्ट्रीज हैं जहां पे सेल्स नहीं होती, और मुझे डेफिनेटली आई विल गिव माय मोबाइल नंबर। माय मोबाइल नंबर इज 8469609361। मैं ग्रुप में भी डाल दूंगा। तो मैं इंडस्ट्रीज को मदद करता हूं, इंडिविजुअल लोगों को मदद करता हूं कि अपनी सेल्स को कैसे बढ़ाएं। मेरे लिए विडंबना का विषय है कि जब मैं देखता हूं कि चाइना की कंपनी चाइना से बैठे हुए अपने देश में ही नहीं पूरे विश्व में माल बेच लेती है, और हमारे देश के लोग अपने मोहल्ले में भी माल नहीं बेच पाते। सो ये थॉट मेरे मन में आया कि क्यों ना मैं अपने देश के जिस भी लेवल पे जहां पे भी सेल्स में मदद कर सकता हूं 20 वर्षों के अनुभव के आधार पे, एंड व्हाट आर द सेल्स टूल्स एंड टेक्निक्स जहां पे हम अपने इंडिविजुअल बिजनेस को बढ़ा सकते हैं, उसमें मैं मदद करता हूं। नासिक में अपने परिवार के साथ में रहता हूं। मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं, डीपीएस स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं, और मुझे लगता है कि आने वाले समय में जिस तरीके से ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट में मैंने आगे की यात्रा शुरू की है, उसमें मैं और बड़े कदम लेने वाला हूं। एक बार फिर से हरिहर जी का बहुत बहुत आभार, और आप सभी का शुक्रगुजार हूं जो आपने मुझे इस मंच पे आमंत्रित किया। थैंक यू सो मच।
ऑल द बेस्ट।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
दीप्ति जी।
Good morning, everyone. I am Deepti Srivastava, mother of 2 college-going kids, and married to Superman, who always supported me in my business. Professionally, I am a qualified electrical engineer, but following my passion from more than 17 years and doing catering business. Recently, I've changed my business from corporate catering to event catering, and doing small events in Gurgaon. I'm based in Gurgaon. That's all. Thank you.
Sri Nandan ji.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. Myself, Sri Nandan Bhalera. I am a civil engineer and based at Nasik. Since last 23 years, I am involved in construction field, specifically in building construction. My firm Moria Projects is involved in project management consultancy and civil contracting in Nasik. In and around Nasik, we have worked pan-India and completed projects for more than around 9 lakh square feet till now. And I have another firm, Moria Sales, where we are authorized distributors for MAPE and Fosroc construction chemicals. We are distributors for construction chemicals. My another company, Dreamshield Technologies Private Limited. There we do waterproofing contracting, with metal waterproofing contracting, and I am looking for connects for construction in industries around in Maharashtra and Gujarat. I am also partner with Sonali Joshi in the firm Art and You. She will be presenting create session today. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I hope कि सारे का इंट्रोडक्शन हो गया है. No one is left with introduction. So yeah. So now myself Manish, I'm the practicing chartered accountant and I'm based in Delhi. I'm providing business and tax consultancy to run business smoothly day to day life. And my motive is to grow your business from one generation to another generation. Last week, I have successfully completely faceless scrutiny by Income Tax Department for escaping of income, and my gift is Rahul Chaurasia, who is the North India head of Bajaj Alliance, and once again myself Manish from Delhi. मेरी tax planning से बनेगा आपका tax साल. Thank you. Over to you, Biren ji.
Thank you. So. Excellent introduction and welcome new members and as well as the visitors. There are a few things which we are going to launch from this week onwards. So let me announce that there are 4 certifications and some gifts which we have, bring on table for all the members, those who are coming regularly. So what are these? Let me just announce that. So we have a highest reference giver, of the week. So that is one certification we are launching from today, and it will be on a weekly basis. Those who will be giving the maximum reference in a week will get one certificate from eGrowth, as well as will get one more, healthy food, and that is multigrain pop gift hamper from Hariyarji. So that's something very interesting. I hope everybody is now, curious to, or enjoy that food as well. We are second certification will be highest revenue generated in a week for a member by giving references. So if you are giving a reference to someone, and after that, that individual is generating revenue from it, and whosoever is generating highest revenue, a reference giver will get a certificate, plus he will get a gift hamper from multigrain pop gift hamper. Okay. Then one more thing which we are launching is one-to-one, maximum one-to-one done in a week. So now guys, please speak up. If you are giving references, please speak up. If you are doing maximum one-to-one, please speak up in a week. So you are going to get one certificate plus a multigrain pop gift hamper. Highest guest invited for IC visiting me. So today we have a guest, for example, and if Hariyarji invited them. So Hariyarji is will be nominated as the highest gift for the gift as well as for the certificate. So this is how we are launching our fourth, and that is the most important, highest registration in an inner circle by inviting a guest. So if you are inviting some guest, and if that particular individual is enrolling himself with inner circle as a member, agar aap aisa kuch kar rahe hain, to then you are going to get extension of your inner growth, inner circle, membership for 2 months. So if you bring one person on, and if you register, you get extension for 2 months. Guys, I think it is really exciting. Please start working in this direction. There are many things going to happen. These are very small. I know that, you have achieved many excellence in your life. I know you must have got many certificates in your life. This certificate, I don't know how much it value, but the contribution matters a lot. Contribution matters a lot. I know that each one of you had a test of Hariyarji's pops, but getting a gift of pop is really something matters a lot. So I request all of you to start contributing, start giving references. So I would like to hear from you now, how many references you are going to give today to the other members. Second is how many invites you are going to bring next week. So I will just start in the next two minutes. We will cover that. So I will go one by one. Let's start from Ravindra Mishra ji, that how many references you think that you can refer for the next meeting? I hope I'm not disturbing the normal platform, but that will help us to create at least some energy for the next week. So how many references you think you can give?
One clarification, Virendra ji.
Yeah.
When you say references, means a business reference, right?
Yeah, business references. And when I'm saying visitor, it is a visitor for the next week. So here, when I'm saying visitor, so how many visitors maybe you can bring for tomorrow, next week meeting. And when I'm saying references, then you can give that references to any other member, but you have to just tell me that yes, हमने इस week में इतने references दिए हैं.
Okay, fine.
I'll make it more simple. मैं पूछूंगा references कितने और visitor कितने आप ला रहे हैं. तो अगर आपने बोला रेफरेंसेस मैं इस वीक में समझ के चलिए 2 दूंगा, तो आप इंडिविजुअली किसको दिया सिर्फ उतना बता दीजिए कि मैंने इनको ये 2 रेफरेंसेस दिए हैं. तो रोनिका इज देयर, शी विल कैप्चर दैट इमीडिएटली so that we can announce the certification from the upcoming months. This month we are just practicing it. Next month from 1st it will be like rolled out. Am I right, Atulji? We will do this way. Is it okay for you?
Absolutely. So first and foremost, congratulations to Virendra ji for thinking so much. So Virendra ji, is it okay if I take 1 minute?
Please, sir, all yours.
Yeah. So why, last week you would have observed that we rolled out a feedback form. Okay. The intention of the feedback form was to really get to hear from you. What is it that you want? Why is it that you are here? And after having seen that, we looked at that there are certain things which are critical. Finally, dhanda hona zaruri hai. And all what we are doing is we are taking those small steps which will ensure that you get business. Okay. And this is all what we are doing. So please participate wholeheartedly, and let there be what should I say, an avalanche of communication. जितना ज़्यादा communication होगा, उतना ज़्यादा business होगा. Right, Virendra ji? Thank you.
Yes. So there are two things which we are asking. One is how many visitors you can refer. Now I have seen, even I face this problem that I invite someone and he is not turning up. He is not coming for the session. And again, following up with the same person finds it difficult for us कि मैं बार बार उसको कितनी बार बोलूं. मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, अगर आपके पास 2 नाम है, आपके पास 3 नाम है, please give that 3 names and number to Ronika. Ronika will facilitate, she will help you in connecting with these 3 members. She will request them to bring them and request them for next week's inner circle meeting. And me and Hariyarji is conducting regular meeting, daily meeting with at least 3 to 4, 5 people, and just finding, checking with them that what are the concerns and what are the problems they are facing, what are the challenges they are facing. So I am sure that we will start seeing some positivity into the number of attendees also.
We can also see that here, Virendra, today that with us Dipti is there today.
Correct.
That itself is a plus sign that she agreed to be a part of us today.
So
thank you, Dipti.
Yes, thank you, Dipti.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, so let's start with Ravindra ji. Ravindra ji, आप कितने references इस week में किसी को दिए हैं आपने, किसी को last week, या आप अगर मान लीजिए अगले वीक के लिए किसी को इनवाइट करना चाहते हैं तो आप रोनिका जी को अपना नंबर, उनके नंबर्स और नाम दे सकते हैं.
अगले वीक के लिए रख लीजिए एक रेफरेंस देंगे और एक किसी गेस्ट को लाएंगे अपने.
चलो जी सर, excellent. Thanks for taking this challenge. I'm very happy. Ronika ji, please note down this. We will keep chasing Ravindra ji for.
लेकिन फेलियर में कोई नंबर कटेगा नहीं ना?
नहीं सर, कोई नहीं.
नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है.
मैंने मेरी पूरी लाइफ में एक चीज सीखा है, रिजल्ट को ध्यान मत दीजिए, ये देखिए कि आपने एफर्ट पहले डाला, कि आपकी इंटेंशन सही है क्या. तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी.
नहीं, सही है, सही है.
ये सब देख लेंगे सर, टेंशन नहीं है. यस श्रीपद जी, हाउ मेनी रेफरेंसेस, हाउ मेनी मे बी visitors you are going to invite from the next week? श्रीपद जी.
चलो मैं बोल दूं तब तक.
हाँ जी, चलो बोल दीजिए सर.
अच्छा, लास्ट वीक मेरा एक गेस्ट आया था. आई एम वर्किंग विद हिम टू एनरोल हिम इनटू द इनर सर्कल. नेक्स्ट वीक आई विल ब्रिंग 1 visitor for sure, and I'm planning to give at least 1 reference to people.
Excellent.
Yeah, and that is पक्का for हरिहर जी के लिए तो रेफरेंस है ही है, हमेशा है, वो मैं करता ही रहता हूँ. ठीक है, तो in addition to that एक और करूँगा.
Wow, super. Thank you, Shripad ji. Thank you.
Not Shripad,
Deepak ji. Shripad ji, are you there? Shripad ji silent में यहाँ से बट रहा है. Yes, Shripad ji. अगले वीक के लिए आपसे आने वाला रेफरेंस और आपसे आने वाला विजिटर का कोई, अगर आप विजिटर किसी को अगर इनवाइट करना चाहे, कितने नंबर्स?
I will try. I'll send good invitations.
So one promise if you can make, okay, I will try one, something like this. सर फेलियर, जैसे ने कहा कि फेलियर्स आर ऑलवेज एक्सेप्टेड. मैं खुद पिछले कई महीनों से फेल हो रहा हूँ. मैं लोगों को इनवाइट करता हूँ, लोग मेरी बात सुनते नहीं है. दैट्स ओके, बट एटलीस्ट लेट्स टेक स्मॉल challenge for each one of us and try.
I'm afraid about failure only because I have sent invitation to thousands and things are not turning well.
सर मैंने पूछ लिया पहले ही कि नंबर नहीं कटने वाला है हम लोगों का.
नंबर नहीं
कटने वाला सर. मैंने पहले ही पूछ लिया है क्योंकि मुझे गारंटी है फेलियर की, लेकिन फिर भी
रेफरेंस तो आप कमिट कर सकते हैं. रेफरेंस इज समथिंग फ्रॉम योर साइड, राइट?
बिल्कुल.
So how many references you are promising this week?
चलो एक रेफरेंस दे देते हैं.
Great. So we got 1 reference from Shripad ji also. So next is I'll go to Satya ji.
Yeah, thank you, Virendra ji. I will commit 1 reference for this week, but I'll regret for any invite this week.
No problem, sir. No problem. I really respect that. Yes, you are okay. Rajesh Pandit ji.
1 reference is guaranteed, so I can just try for more.
Okay, and for a visitor?
Visitor, I will just try, but I won't promise right now. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Anand Polji.
I confirm about 5 references for this week.
Superb, excellent. And
Here with Ronika, I have already shared about 10 references. Again, I'll try to bring them in.
Superb.
If it happens, but I'm committing 5 this week. And out of this 5, I'm trying to bring 1 visitor for the next meeting.
Superb, excellent. Thank you very much. Rajesh Buddhiraja ji.
1 reference for the week.
Superb, thank you. And what about the visitor?
None this week.
Okay. Okay, we have Amit Chawla ji.
Yeah, so I'll give you a magic number. Number is 3 to 1. So I'll have 3 1-to-1s done in this week, because then only I can generate referrals.
Excellent.
2 referrals I'll generate in this week, and 1 visitor next week. So
Excellent.
3 1-to-1s, 2 referrals, 1 visitor.
Great.
Superb. Okay, we have Mitlesh ji here. Mitlesh ji. एक ट्रक भर के विजिटर, एक कार्गो. Okay. Sorry.
ओडीसी कार्गो है.
एक कंटेनर.
हेलो शिप. अभी ट्रक में काम नहीं चलता, एक शिप.
Yes, Mitlesh ji.
दो विजिटर कंफर्म लाएंगे नेक्स्ट वीक. तो एक तो कंफर्म है, दूसरा भी हो जाना चाहिए, और 2 रेफरेंस और 1 1-to-1 कम से कम एटलीस्ट.
Cool. योगेश वाधवानी.
मिथिलेश जी.
अच्छा, एक मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है, हम यहाँ पर 1-to-1 टर्म यूज नहीं करते, हम टर्म यूज करते हैं फेस टू फेस.
ओके जी.
सो फेस टू फेस मीटिंग्स.
F2F.
यस, F2F.
ओके.
मैं तो इसको H2H बोलता था, हार्ट टू हार्ट.
H2H कर सकते हैं, that's even better. I think let's name it as H2H. Yeah.
Right, all that.
हाँ जी.
योगेश जी.
Yeah. So I'll.
एक ऑब्जर्वेशन मैं दे सकता हूँ. I don't know, it may be apprehension or whatever.
Please.
कि जो गेस्ट आता है ना, वो बेचारा बहुत एक्सपेक्टेशन लेके आता है कि मुझे बहुत कुछ मिलेगा, और वो हम लोग के इंट्रोडक्शन सुन के वो दुखी होता रहता है. मैं साफ बता रहा हूँ, मैंने देखा है ये. कुछ उसके लिए समय अंत में जो रखते हैं ना, उसके लिए समय थोड़ा सा, जब वो आए उसके बाद में पहले उसकी बात सुन लिया जाए, सो दैट मतलब कुछ समझ में आए. नहीं तो गेस्ट का मैंने ऑब्जर्वेशन देखा है, उन्होंने ऑब्जर्वेशन दिया है कि भाई हम तो इंतजार करते रहते हैं कि मुझे कोई मौका मिले, मुझे कुछ मौका मिले, और वो बहुत एक्सपेक्टेशन लेके आता है और अंत में वो दुखी हो जाता है या छोड़ के ही चला जाता है.
आदित्य जी देखो ना, थम्स अप कर रहे हैं. आदित्य जी थम्स अप कर रहे हैं इस पे. बिल्कुल राइट.
We will ensure सर कि नेक्स्ट वीक से हम उसको कुछ चेंज करेंगे, पक्का. दैट्स प्रॉमिस.
क्योंकि हम लोग पहले एक दूसरे को बहुत अच्छी तरह पहचानते हैं.
गेस्ट पहले इंट्रोड्यूस करेगा.
ठीक है सर, नेक्स्ट वीक से हम पक्का ऐसा करेंगे. सो आई अपोलोजाइज टू न्यू गेस्ट एंड थैंक्स फॉर सजेशन रविंद्र जी. या योगेश जी, प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
हाँ जी. So I'll have 1 visitor and couple of references. Yes. 1-to-1 तो होगा ही, उसके बिना होगा नहीं. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So we have Sonali ji.
Yeah. 2 H2H I will plan. 1 referral and 1 visitor I will try.
Okay, great. Yes, we have Manish Kumar ji.
2 H2H, 1 guest and at least 1 referral.
Okay, great. अतुल जी, आप बच के कहाँ जाओगे?
मैं आप इन्होंने क्या बोला था? 3 to 1 बोला था ना?
अमित जी ने ना?
हाँ जी, 3 to 1.
तो 5-3-2 कर देते हैं.
ओके,
आप जीत गए.
मेरे को लगा आप बोलोगे
नहीं, जीतने वाली बात नहीं. हाँ जी,
जीतने वाली बात है. हरिहर जी का बहुत किया.
अब तो जीतना ही है. दीप्ति जी,
अपना नंबर भी डाल दीजिए दीप्ति जी.
तो मैं हार्ट टू हार्ट करूंगी 2 and 1 referral and try for 1 visitor, but मैं बहुत दिन से out of work हूँ, so I'm not sure कि मैं कितना seriously कर पाऊंगी अभी, but I'll try for 1 visitor.
दीप्ति जी, एक रिक्वेस्ट है, आप अपना नंबर चैट में डाल दीजिए. मेरे को आपसे कांटेक्ट करना है केटरिंग के लिए.
Okay sir, thank you so much, Abhidar.
ओके, और
Immediately,
कौन बच
immediately
गया अगर मैं किसी को
fruitful हो गया
भूल
देखिए।
गया हूँ या नहीं बता पाया?
आप रह गए खुद।
मैं तो हुई बिल्कुल। तो मैं इस वीक में 5 H2H करूंगा, प्लस मैं 3 जो है वो रेफरेंसेस दूंगा, एंड आई विल ट्राई एंड ब्रिंग एटलीस्ट 2 people next week as a visitor. So I will also play 5-3-2 with Atuji. Yes. So excellent. I think let's take this small challenge, guys.
मेरा रहेगा वीरेंद्र।
हरिहर जी, sorry, missed. तो थोड़ा लेट हो गया।
Okay,
so हरिहर जी पता क्या कहेंगे? एक मिनट हरिहर जी कहेंगे सबका टोटल करो, कितना H2H हुआ उतना मैं करूंगा।
Yeah, but don't give their gift hampers to him only. अपने
yeah. So my H2H will be 6 for this week.
देखा कहा ना मैंने,
एक ज्यादा।
Okay. And I will invite two visitors to the next forum. Okay.
Okay.
And I have today 8 references, 3 for Mithilesh Jha, 1 for Anand Pole, and Yogesh ji के लिए 4 connects मैं दूंगा on a 1-to-1.
Thank you very much.
सुपर।
गिफ्ट हैम्पर तो आपको ही मिलेगा, आप अपने आप को देंगे।
So इसमें एक छोटा सा और
मेरे को लग रहा है इसलिए आपने गिफ्ट हैम्पर ये करा हुआ, सारे खुद ही ले जाओगे।
The gift hamper is just one of the mediums. Okay.
Yeah.
What is here is inside out. We are here to give people connect.
But I would like to request all of you, if you want to add that gift, if you want to offer that gift, you can also add that, because we are also doing birthday celebrations now. In birthday also, you are going to get a gift hamper from Hariher ji. You can also add your products or services for that birthday boy. Or
so here is a request to all of you as well. See, in this gift, one of the components, which is the courier, that is going to have hard cash out. Okay, so if we can have some more people who can contribute for that, sponsor part of it, if not full, that will be helpful. So that can be used as a branding opportunity, that can be used as so then it will become easier, because putting so much, so Hariher ji can give the product, let us distribute the courier piece.
So how exactly would it work? I mean, okay, fine.
So I think let us discuss that offline on the WhatsApp group, because let us not eat too much time here. But I'm just putting that one thing that is a concern.
So it was interesting. We got many commitments this week. Let's see how we can, fulfill our own commitments. Let's move to a knowledge session. We have already, crossed the time, but I will request Amit ji to take over.
Can I get few seconds?
Yeah, Shripaji, sorry, I missed your raised hand. Yeah.
Yeah, I need telephone number of Anand Pole, who is a new connector and would like to have 1-to-1 with him.
Yeah, so he is there on our group also, or otherwise chat पे डाल दीजिए आनंद जी.
Yes, sure.
Yeah, thanks.
जी का नाम कैसे अनाउंस करते हैं? पोल करते हैं या पोले करते हैं? क्योंकि महाराष्ट्र में अधिकतर लोग
it is spelled as Pole, but in Marathi it is called as Pole.
Okay.
I'll put my number on the group.
Yeah. Amit ji.
Yeah, I think good morning, everyone. I think the knowledge session time we have already consumed by putting this new thing in. I would let's probably go for the create session, because we'll be missing out Sonali's presentation otherwise. But I'll request one thing about the knowledge session, and the last time what I mentioned about is the ask, because whatever we, like Viren has been saying, is you give referrals to visitors lao, right? You're giving, but that can happen well only if you ask properly. You have clarity of the ask. If you do not ask properly, then all the gifts that will come will go haywire. Okay, so my request would be use the format that I've already shared, so so that it can work out. And please have your H2H. Carry that one slider that I've shared with you. Put your ask clearly, and then have your 1-to-1. It will become more productive in that way, right?
Miji, I was to ask today. What happened to that?
हाँ, but time है तो मैं कर सकता हूँ. मेरे को problem नहीं है. Can we do that? Do we have time, Viren? You tell me, because
we can cover Amit ji in that case and finish, no problem. Because I understand, but it is really important for that value is very important for day. let's not break it. We can make it small. And sorry,
or if it is today, if it has taken more time, so let us have it in next week. So no issues about it.
मैं एक काम करते हैं, एक का कर लेते हैं. Let's do one because Manish had raised his hand last time also, and so maybe we'll start with Manish. He's been helping us out a lot. So Manish, if you can share your ask with clarity. I had shared that presentation with you, that one slider. Do you have that with you?
No, I don't have anything, but I have. I can say about my ask.
Yeah. So why don't you tell your ask with clarity, and please everyone listen. And because on the spot, we will try to give a referral right now for him. Yeah, Manish, you're on.
Yeah. So my ask is film actress Tapsi Pannu and cricketer Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli. Yeah.
I have one small ask.
One second. Yes, we are going ahead with only Manish. So you're saying you want to connect to two stars. Anything little? Can you just describe a little bit more? Because if that's only two people, but like what, right?
Yeah,
so
like means ki, as I have told Tapsi Pannu, that is the film actress. So I would like to connect with the film actress, model, cameraman, let us say anyone who is related to entertainment industry and sports area.
Okay. Fine. So you want to connect with in the entertainment industry, the stars basically, right? The film stars, or it could be a fashion icon, and also a sports star or sports icon, right?
Yeah.
To provide your CS services.
Definitely.
Right? Interesting. That's a unique one. So let's see if somebody has that or not. So we'll start with Atul. You are at the bottom of my screen. Any connect that you can have for Manish?
So right now, I don't have a direct connect, but I can definitely think that Sukhdeepak Malwai ji should be able to help. We are a part of the same Rotary Club, and there are some people who are associated with the film industry at least.
Yeah, I will ask someone. In fact, the guest who came last time, Karandeep, he's doing this, astrology stuff with a lot of models and actors. I'll ask him also, and I will ask Adi Pocha is there. No, that guy is a filmmaker. I'll ask him also. Okay, Manish, I will just. Can you send me a WhatsApp message?
So
you ask over there, so I will do it.
Sure.
Yeah. So the way the whole thing works is, Manish, when you hear something, that means you need to have a H2H with that person. Then you definitely need a H2H with Sukhdeepak ji, so that you can get that your ask getting covered.
Sure.
Okay. Next is Yogesh Wadhwani. Any connect for Manish? If not, then pass. Please go fast.
Yeah, not at the moment. अभी कुछ नहीं आ रहा अभी mind में.
हाँ. Okay. Deepti, आप सोच रहे हैं कुछ?
Pass.
Pass. Rajesh Pandit ji.
I'll have to just explore it.
Okay.
मनीष जी को मैं एक बार इंटरप्ट करूंगा मनीष जी को. मनीष जी, आप जानते हैं इस जगह कोई पहुंच जाता है तो उसके पास में ऑलरेडी कोई ना कोई चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट होगा ही उसकी सर्विस के लिए. उससे ये सब चीज. हाँ, इसमें किस
मैं इस पर एक चीज बोलूंगा कि जैसे आज हम और आप एज बिजनेसमैन हैं, तो आपके पास भी कोई ना कोई सीए है, तो सर कंपटीशन तो हर जगह होता है, तभी तो मजा है कंपटीशन फेस करने का सर.
See, मनीष, इसमें भी ये है, see, while we refer it should be put to use also. मतलब अगर आपके पास उसमें expertise है, then it makes ना उस वहाँ पे, so it will be more fruitful. Like if you existingly
let me interrupt here. So the idea here is that if you have some connect, that means then Manish has to talk to you and convince you to give the referral. ऐसे आप नहीं दोगे. Do not give a referral just because here we have talked, because Manish has to convince you that no, he can add some value. So the idea is now Manish to connect.
मैं कुछ लोगों को जानता हूँ फिल्म स्टार्स वगैरह को नजदीक.
So please.
और लेकिन मैं महसूस नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ कि कैसे मैं उनको कहूँ कि वो लोग इतने हाई फ्लायर हैं, हम भी उनके नजदीक में हैं कि मतलब अच्छा लगता है. बस
रविंद्र जी, मेरे ख्याल से हम इसको थोड़ा सिंपल करते हैं. इसका सिर्फ आंसर आपको यस या नो में देना है अभी, यानी पास या फिर यस में. अगर यस है तो मनीष जी आपको कन्विंस करेंगे कि यार हो सकता है, कैसे हो सकता है, अदरवाइज आप मत दीजिए, दैट्स ओके.
So just say yes or no.
Yes
Yes
or
or no.
no.
Let's not explain because it will take more time. Okay. Right, Mr. Shripad ji. Yes, no. Mr. Aditya. Yes, no. They're not responding. Are you there?
Yeah, I have one ask.
Not a ask. Give for Manish. Any connect for Manish?
One-to-one करेंगे उनके साथ. I want.
Okay.
I,
Manish,
yes.
one-to-one. Manish, you just keep one-to-one with Mr. Shripad ji.
I'm ready.
Mr. Anand. Yes or no?
Sorry, no.
Okay. Mr. Satya.
Sorry, pass.
Mr. Srinandan ji. Yes, no.
No.
Viren.
No.
Pass.
Viren. Sonali ji.
Oh, but I will do one-to-one.
Yes, one-to-one. Yeah. Mr. Budhiraja.
Pass.
मिथिलेश झा आप देख नहीं रहे. No. And last and foremost, our president, Mr. Harihar ji.
So yes for Manish, and connect me more than 3 connects I'll give you.
All right. Perfect. Anybody else I missed? Mr. SVS has come, I think. Anybody else whom I missed? Please let me know.
Pass from my side.
All right. Thank you. So Manish, you must have got 5, 6, 7 connects. Manish, कितने number आए आपके?
I have 5 1-to-1.
Okay. And the connects, I think Hariharan ji said 3.
Yeah, so that I'm not counting. I'm counting. I have to do 5 H2H for the more detail and how I can convince how you can give me the connection or referral, whatever.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much.
And what about
back to you? No, I have pass. I don't know the stars. Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Amit ji. Thank you for the quick knowledge session. So we will move to create session, and Harihar ji is playing a double carrying a double responsibility of president as well as in charge of create session. So I will request Harihar ji to take it forward.
Hello friends, today here we are all here in this create session. How this could benefit for those members who are new. We have guests also here. So what do we do in this session? Basically is to give an opportunity to one of our team members here to actually come and present their entire business challenge to the entire team. Now, while doing so, it is as simple as this in a layman's word. If I have to say, it will clearly be, the first slide would be like, who are you as a person? Because we are all connected with individuals here. So you will be explaining about who you are as a person. Which firm do you represent? The second slide would be that. What's your firm's name and your organization as such? The third slide could be, what are your products that you deal with? So in the products, when you're trying to tell, I would like to suggest that you just let us know the products, the features and the benefits. That is the end consumer ke liye kya benefit hai aapka product. Number 4 is SWOT analysis, the strength, weakness, opportunity, threat. इससे हमें मालूम पड़ेगा कि आपका क्या challenges हो रहा है आपके एरिया में. And the fifth slide is, what is that one thing that if it is one challenge that you are facing today, that if we all help you today, will overcome your business problem and take your business to the next level. So this is the whole structure of this thing. We are also having a buddy structure that end of the session, you may have several challenges written down. I feel that would, I feel Shripad ji, can you put mute? Can someone mute Shripad? Okay, so, and then the last would be that we can, hello?
There is some disturbance.
Shripad ji from mic on.
Yeah. So the last would be that we'll have a buddy structure allotted. So there will be someone who will try to help and see that, take forward that the challenges that you've taken, how you can implement it. So there will be someone who will be guiding you through this. So this week we have Sonali Joshi, who is from Nasik, Maharashtra. So she will be giving her presentation today of the Create session. We also invite all the other members to kindly book for the next week. That's the next, I feel we are booked till 28th, Virendra. So iske aage ka jo bhi session hai, people can put their thing that they would like to present their Create. So we will make a note of it. Ronika can make a note of it, and you will be given an opportunity to present your Create. Every time challenge changes every week. We may have different challenges. So last time हमने किया होगा, but अभी हमारा business dynamic है, so we may have a new challenge that comes across. So you can again have a chance to present. So first we'll give chance to the existing members who have not presented. After that, जो भी member ने किया भी होगा, but नया challenge आ गया उनके business में, we can take up that. So there is an opportunity to keep on presenting new challenges. Yeah, over to you, Sonali Joshi. Screen share enable किया ना? Yeah.
Yeah. Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Good morning, everyone. This is our form, Art and You, and we are working for happiness. Happiness as a core behind all the activities. We provide a strong platform for your happy expression through different art activities. See, everybody wants successful in life, but believe me,
You put some cream on.
yeah. So if you will see, if you want to be successful in life, you want mental stability and you want your action plan also. So your mental stability is totally depend on your emotional stability, and we work on that emotions. Whenever I'm working with kids, I always observe that these kids, I will explain it in next slide, exactly why we are working on this happiness. In this Art and You, our firm, we are two partners. Me, Sonali Joshi, as an art therapist, and mostly I take care of all designing part. And Srinandan Bhalerav, he is a civil engineer, but he's an art enthusiast, and he takes care of all distribution and technical work in our manufacturing side, and that's how we work together. So even today's presentation, half part I'm going to explain and half part he will take care of. As I said, there is nothing more important in life than happiness. And if you are happy, then only you can do progress. But are we introducing our child to this concept happiness? My answer is no. This new generation, it is totally bombarded with the image of perfection, which creates immense pressure for allowing performing best. We have the generation of kids who are at the risk of losing their way being happy. In school also, we are just, framing them in the numbers. Itne percentage lane hai, itna number aana hi chahiye. And otherwise, we parents will start comparing our child with someone else. So from beginning only, as soon as they start their school education, we just put them in the competition. And उनको वही पता है कि बस मुझे compete करना है, मुझे ये achieve करना है, मुझे वो achieve करना है. But while doing these achievements, somewhere they are lacking on the expression of happiness. If they are not happy, they will not perform best in their field. And वही होता है even with us also. Just now we are also struggling on that part, and somewhere it landed up कि कहीं किसी को फिजिकल प्रॉब्लम शुरू हो जाता है, कहीं किसी को फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम शुरू हो जाता है, and we are not able to manage our life. And why not to get connect with this feeling happiness? If we are happy, then we can make our things in a good way. And that's why we have started with this project for kids first. Exactly what is happiness and what is kids and kids? As I said, we are the manufacturer of craft kits. These kits are based on the emotion happiness, and we give that expression when these kids they do all these craft activities. Immediately they get connect with the feeling of satisfaction, happiness, which help them to improve their other skills observation, focusing. How? Let's see. This is our first product range. This is called as a room decoration theme. You can see different characters over there. These all material, everything is already provided. How it works? Actually, all these parts are given. Kids need to observe each and every instruction. They need to follow instructions. They complete this article, but here activity doesn't end. They need to use this article in an innovative way. They can use it as a photo frame. They can use it as a nameplate. They can use it as a decoration. They can use it for wall decoration also. Two articles they can use as greeting card. Wall hanging also. And tabletop decoration for the people. So actually this is the total process from in art therapy. End product is not important, but the process is more important, and that's why they must go through all this process. We are working in 3 different models just now. Our first model, individual kits for parents, those who have 3 to 11 age group. As I said, these activities are included, all required stuff in that instruction sheet. Just now 10 designs are available in it. Second model, it is for hospitals and clinics. All pediatric doctors, they are using this kit as a welcome kit, because kids always know that hospital, it's a painful thing, and they don't have good image for hospitals. But whenever hospitals are offering these kits, even art has a great value of healing power. Art has a great healing power, and there these hospitals can use these kits as a welcome kit. And third model, it is for schools, where we are designing art syllabus for schools, and we are giving them 30 different activities, even customized activities also. So these are our product details. These are happy customers, happy kids. And from here, I will request Srinandan to take care of next PPT. Srinandan, over to you.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. This is a short SWOT analysis. We at NU are manufacturers of art craft kits. And in short, I will explain this SWOT. What are our strengths? Sonali herself being an artist and an art therapist. We have based these kits on art therapy. Being manufacturers and designers of the kits, we can customize any type of craft. You say, and we can design and manufacture it. We have a higher level of creativity. Sonali has a great experience in art field since last 12 years. She's working in this field. She has an experience of working with schools, with different kids, and now cancer patients. So these are our strengths. We can say weaknesses that there is a lack of awareness about art therapy. Art therapy is explored and looked up at out of India more. But in India, there is a lack of awareness. We have that issue. We have to take more efforts to create this awareness. That may be a weakness. In threads, I would say we have a competition with lower quality products, and we are now designing and coming up with so many products that copywriting every product will be difficult to us. That will be a threat again. In opportunity, I would say, as she explained, every parent seeking happiness for its kid is an opportunity. So here we have mentioned some ideal referrals, and these are also referrals and also opportunities for us, that are parents, stationery shops, toy shops, gift shops, pediatric doctors. We have special craft kits for hospitals and clinics, childcare hospitals, dentists, clinics, pharma companies. Those can offer these gifts to doctors. Playgroup nursery schools for our school model. These different types of schools are also opportunities for us. Then daycare centers, activity centers, even resorts. We can offer them these kits. They can give as a welcome kit to a kid whoever comes to the resorts. And also airlines, we can offer this. So these are all are the opportunities in for our business. Yeah. So these are our social media platforms. We are on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Insta, WhatsApp, obviously. We have our website, www.artenu.co.in. And you can contact us on our mail also. Thank you so much.
What is that one challenge?
And one challenge that we are facing is we are able to network in Maharashtra through different platforms, and but we need to connect for B2B more than B2C in northern part of India, and that we are facing a challenge. Of course, every connect is welcome in Maharashtra also, wherever it is needed, but specifically for northern part of India, we are facing a challenge. That is our today's challenge.
Yeah, one line I want to add in it. Actually, we launch our product in lockdown period. First, May we launch our product. So that time we were not having option for B2B. So we started our business with B2C. But now everything is opening up. So we want more connects for B2B. Maharashtra we are covering, but yes, northern part where we don't have any connects or where we are not, that part is little bit unexplored from our side. So we are facing that challenge ki how we can connect with this part for B2B.
And we intend to go pan India, also internationally,
for
these craft kits and different types of craft kits.
So if I were to put it in one word, your challenge is distribution in northern part of India.
Yes.
That's one liner if I have to say.
Yeah.
That is the challenge today for you.
Yeah,
Distribution also and connects also.
Yeah,
Because when I
obviously
get connect with the people.
distribution will not happen without connects.
Yeah.
There cannot be done any distribution without connect.
Yes.
Yeah. Can you please show that slide of your asks, your connects?
Yeah, sure.
Reference.
Okay. Fine. Thanks.
So we will, I feel Sonali, you can just put off the PPT so that we can see everyone on this larger screen. Okay, now this is how we would like to go about. So we are a total of 21 members here today. So first of all, those who are interested in giving some inputs for Sonali in her create and help her to take this business forward, could actually raise your hand in the participation list so that we can see those who have raised hands would be allowed to first unmute and give their suggestion. I feel Yogesh ji has already raised his hand. Yes, Yogesh, please speak.
Yeah, thanks. So what I can see is this is a plain and simple thing, and so challenge will always be this challenge can be overcome by doing face-to-face meetings. So definitely I will connect you to some schools. I'll connect you to 2 schools and pediatric doctors so that you can develop your at least you can start having meetings and you can get a way out to develop the market. Yeah.
And next, can we go with Virendra Ingle?
Yes, Sonali ji, so product is excellent and very creative. One suggestion is there is one Atal Tinkering Lab. You must have heard about it. And there are a lot many people working on ATL. I am one of them. We have done it for various schools in Maharashtra.
Okay.
So you can tie up with people like me, those who are already giving ATL labs to various schools and colleges as an incubation centers. So that can be a help because it goes hand in hand, to reach out to the schools. Yeah, thanks.
Next, we'll move on with Rajesh Pandit ji.
Yes, Sonali ji, it was a wonderful presentation, and the kind of products which you have lined up. So that was the need for the country itself, because we have been importing these toys and all these innovators from China and all that, and without say incorporating any of the cultural aspects of ours. And so you are doing that, so that was a very good job. Just tell me, like for example, now when a person is referred from in North or outside Maharashtra, so how does so do you have any online presence?
Yeah,
So
yeah. We have online presence also. We have our website also, where all details you can get. Even we are all available on all social platforms, and definitely we can get in touch.
Sonali, I feel you do a one-to-one with Rajesh ji, so that will give more time, and then you will get to know each other. We'll move on with the next participant, Sukhdeepak.
Yeah, Rajesh sir, I will get back to you.
Okay, so this is Deepak Malwai here. I have a question for you. There are these booksellers who sell books to schools exclusively. Would such a connect be useful for you?
Yeah, definitely, sir.
Definitely.
Okay. Also, there are people who give uniforms to school because they are embedded in the school itself. They will be useful for you?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's have a one-to-one.
Fine.
And, we will see how, I mean, I could connect you to a few people.
Yeah, next is Anand Paul. Anand sir? Yeah, please unmute. Anand ji, please unmute.
Yes, Sonali ji, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
You're from Nashik. I just wanted to confirm whether you have any connects in Aurangabad.
Yeah, actually, not direct connect, but my son was studying in IHM Aurangabad. So 2 years I was in
talking from the
Aurangabad.
business point of view. I'm talking from
No,
the business
no.
point of view. Okay, so you can have a one-to-one connection today or tomorrow, and then we'll see how we'll be able to take it. Because just the schools have started, particularly the program which you are designing or design, it's absolutely excellent. And 5th to 8th standard, the schools have started from 27th in Maharashtra, in Aurangabad also. So I'll try to connect you to some of the schools which I know personally to their heads. So we'll have a one-to-one.
Absolutely
Thank
fine,
you.
sir, no problem.
Any other member who have raised hand? There are no raised hands on the participant list. So anyone else who would like to? Yeah, Atul Puri, yes.
Yeah.
Atul Puri.
So, Sonali ji, I've got a couple of contacts. Let us get on a call. One is I know the founders of Footprints, which is a chain of play schools. There is another chain which is called Clay. Then I know a person from Bombay who has a library. Okay, so they rent out books and all. So that could be another connect. And then I know somebody in Noida who is into costume designing, and they do these costumes for schools. So they would have connects in schools. I can get you connected to her as well. All right. And then there is there are a couple of connects in Ludhiana. I can get you connected to them.
Fine, sir.
So Sonali, you need to do a one-to-one H2H with him.
With everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can connect with the national head of KIDSI. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Now, any other member?
Amit
I have
Chawla
one.
is raised,
Amit Chawla.
So Sonali, very nice presentation, by the way. It's nicely done. I need to have one H2H with you. The reason being, there is a client of mine. He's into EdTech, and we are launching a product. It's for school teachers and school students. And I'm still working with him, and there's a sales strategy being put in place and marketing being done. And we are also going the B2B way. So there's something that I'm already working. So we don't have the insight, but let's be in touch because we can leverage both of you together to go to the schools, because the similar kind of thought process we have.
Yes. Sure.
Thank you. Aditya Singh Ranawat, would you like to give some insight on sales and distribution for Sonali Joshi, since you are here today?
सबसे पहले तो सर मुझे लगता है कि जिस तरीके का मॉडल सोनाली जी ने डेवलप किया है ये वाकई में बहुत कमाल का मॉडल है और लोगों को इससे बहुत लाभ मिलेगा। जहां तक सेल्स की बात है तो हमें सबसे पहले अपना ABC क्लास में क्लाइंटल को डिवाइड करना चाहिए कि वो इज द टारगेट ऑडियंस, और उस टारगेट ऑडियंस को किस तरीके से हम कैटर करें, इसके लिए हमारे पास एक्टिविटीज डिजाइन होना चाहिए। कई बार हमारी एक्टिविटी उस टारगेट ऑडियंस के माइंडसेट के हिसाब से नहीं बनी होती, इसलिए हम उसको टच नहीं कर पाते। तो जो आपका टारगेट ऑडियंस है उसके हिसाब से आप एक्टिविटी डिजाइन करिए और उस एक्टिविटी को इम्प्लीमेंट कर दीजिए। 70% CEO और सेल्स प्रोफेशनल और मैनेजमेंट में कोई भी फेल इसलिए होता है कि जो आइडिया आपने अभी बाय किया है मुझसे, हम उसको इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं कर पाते। सो अगर आपके माइंड में कोई भी आइडिया आ रहा है कि मुझे इस क्लास को कैटर करना है, सो क्या एक्टिविटीज उसके लिए होनी चाहिए, अगर आप मुझे बाद में कॉल करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली मैं उसमें आपको सपोर्ट करूंगा और उनका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन आप करेंगे तो आपको रिजल्ट डेफिनेटली आएंगे।
So do a one-to-one H2H with Aditya Ranawat. Okay, he
Just
could give you
addition,
insights.
just addition in Aditya sir's उन्होंने जो कहा है, already we have 72 designs just now ready with us, and we are open for any kind of design which can we can create in time frame. So yes, no issue.
I feel you do H2H with him.
Sure,
Okay.
sure.
Now, if others are, I'll like to give my part of thing. There are two parts to Sonali. I was focusing on your slide on weakness. Okay, when you did present your entire presentation. तो आपका चैलेंज सबसे बड़ा मुझे वहां पे लगा कि people are not aware about your product and that's why your product is not moving the way it should be moving or it should have been moving. तो ये मेरा सबसे बड़ा जो वहां पे जो इंसाइट है मुझे वो लगा। इसके लिए दो चीज कर सकते हैं। I don't know whether you're doing this also, whether you can create a daily 1 to 3 minutes के अंदर का वीडियो on one of your product, okay, a small video on what are the benefits of that one product, how it is working and how it is giving happiness to the child. If that can come out in that 1 to 3 minutes thing, and daily please post this on all the WhatsApp group, Facebook and all those things, so that people, and also circulate it on the inner circle daily one video. So that will get people connected to you to spread this. They may forward it. In the last, say that if you like this, please forward this clip to any near and dear one, which they could benefit from this. So this will go viral for a social cause, and it will also get you connects. So that is the number one thing that I would like to suggest. Number two is that there are several malls, like you have seen the Eternity Mall in Mumbai, where you have got a kids zone, where parents come for shopping, they leave the kids there and then they go off. So if you can connect with such malls where your product is on the premium thing can be kept there as an activity where people can come pay and get their kids entertained there. So that is something that came up to my mind. Other than what all these members are there, connect to me on one-to-one for more details. Thank you.
Fine, sir.
Actually, this also gave me an idea. Sorry, Harirji. Most of the luxury resorts, they do have a kids section. So generally the parents would drop the kids there and they would go loitering all around. So that could again be a good place.
Same way we have this Club Mahindra, Sterling Resorts, they have a kids zone. So you can tie up with a chain of such resorts like Club Mahindra. So all that 100 Club Mahindras could have your product for the kids. Think about that, Sterling Resorts. So there are several such luxurious things. I feel, Sonali, to sum up today, I feel we are running short of time, but to sum up, I feel you have got certain values out from this create session here today. I feel, I have not got the complete details of how many connects you got today, but I'm sure that it has added value in your today's presentation, and you have got several insights to your business. My request to all the members who are here today, this is an excellent opportunity and platform which you can take advantage and scale up your business in a similar manner. So get ready to be the next one to present your business for the Create. And we are here to help you all. Over to you, Virendra.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sonali ji. Excellent session. Thank you, Harir ji, for helping in managing this. So we have two members. They I think joined a little late. So and we have a time of around 4 minutes. So if we can cover that introduction in just a few seconds. So Mr. Suresh Goyal and Mr. Sunil Agarwal, Agarkar, if you can just introduce yourself immediately, and Mr. Subramaniam.
Yeah, I'm Suresh Goyal. Nice to meet you, everybody, esteemed members of eGrowth chapter. I'm basically a practicing chartered accountant in Delhi, specializing in merger and acquisition and funding, both equity and debt syndication. I have a network of people from Dubai, Singapore, UK, and USA. So we have a large team member. We have more than 50 members in our team, where chartered accountant, company secretary, bankers are there with me. So it's very good to be a part of your family. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Mr. Sunil Agarkar.
Yes, good morning, friends. I'm Sunil Agarkar. I'm a legal entrepreneur. I represent two companies. One is Lexit Advisors LLP. It's a full-service law firm. I am from Vadodara, Gujarat. This law firm is also operated from Bombay, Delhi, Kolkata, and Bangalore, and Pune. And another company is Axiom HR Services Private Limited. It is where I'm proficient into industrial relations advisory consultancy, HR consultancy, and payroll and compliance outsourcing. Thank you.
Mr. Subramaniam, please.
Good morning to all.
Good morning.
Yeah, Mr. Subramaniam, we can hear you.
Yeah, good morning to all. I am SV Subramaniam from SVS Training Academy and LDP Online. I give consultancy and training to corporates and MSMEs. And our training is on improving your PQC DSM, that is productivity, quality, cost, delivery, safety, morale, and all that. And our trainings are very special in nature, in the sense we handhold and we go to the workplace and we improve your KRAs and KPIs in the shop floor. It's a specialized training with a lot of games, exercises, and Gemba visit. That is your workplace visit. And mainly my contact is with corporates and MSMEs. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Vodela Shankar, if you can introduce yourself.
I'd request you to please put your cameras on so that we get to know to whom we are speaking.
Right.
Because to speak on this is like a radio sun rahe jaisa aisa ho raha hai. So please connect on your.
निवेदन करूंगा कि please अपने वीडियो ऑन करें. Even जो अभी राजेश जी, Deepak ji, and Suresh Goyal ji, Ronika, everyone, please start your video so that I can take a small screenshot also and share on the group.
Yeah, Deepak ji, please put on your video on. Yeah. Yeah. I feel good. So you can take a screenshot, Viren, right now.
Mr. Vodela, want to say or introduce yourself, please? Okay. So I think he's not there now. It was a great session. Thank you very much, Sunadji.
I think let us please have Ronika also introduce herself.
Yeah, Ronika is there. Yes, sorry. Ronika, please introduce yourself. लगता है रोनिका जी से हमारा संपर्क
रोनिका ने अभी मैसेज डाला है but okay.
Please give me a few minutes. I am in the middle of something. Okay. So meanwhile, जो visitors हैं उनके लिए एक room है. आप उस room में उनको लेके जाइए.
Right.
And along with you, Amit Chawla ji, and आप जिनको भी और साथ में लेके जाना चाहते हैं, maybe मिथिलेश जी, राजेश जी, जो हमारे senior हैं, हमारे ex president and vice president हैं, उनको भी आप ले जा सकते हैं.
ठीक है जी. I'm just creating a group.
Yes. Meanwhile, जो नए members हैं जो आज join हुए हैं, we are visitors जो है specifically, उनको हम अभी एक अलग discussion में लेके जा रहे हैं ताकि आप और थोड़ा detail दें. अतुल जी आपको लेके जाएंगे वहाँ पे. Who is a founder of eGrowth. So you will get an opportunity to interact with him and understand eGrowth platform in detail. You will also have Amit ji, who is taking care of, so I'm introducing my core team also. So Amit ji is taking care of the knowledge session for us, along with Mr. Sukhdeepak ji. And we have Harihar ji, who takes care of the entire create session. And he's also the president for this inner circle. We have Manish ji and Ronika. She helps in members relationship and the attendance. We have Mithilesh ji, Rajesh ji. They are ex vice president and president, and now they are helping in mentoring as well as into strategy and other things.
Namaskar, Goyal Saab.
Good morning, Atul ji. How are you? Good morning.
I'm doing good.
Good morning. Good morning, Suresh ji and Sunil ji.
Morning to all of you, sir.
Yeah. So how was your experience?
I just joined 5 minutes before because my meeting ends early today. So I just joined because you.
Fantastic. So nice of you. Yeah. So in fact, we met 2 days back, and Suresh was saying that he has a meeting every Friday. So this clashes with his existing meeting. But nonetheless, thanks a lot that you came. So any question? And how about you, Sunil? Yeah. So any questions that you have, we'll be glad to answer those questions and basically ask you.
In fact,
you join this year.
As such, every Wednesday and Saturday, I'm in one of the networking meeting.
Okay.
And so Friday.
Yes, Sunilji.
Hello.
I think he's got some challenge with his connection.
I was not there.
Yeah.
I joined somewhere around 8:30 or so. So, but yes, it's fine. So next time I would try to join on time.
Okay.
So that,
did you like this?
I will have a real feeling of the complete meeting.
Okay, fair enough. Most welcome. And where did you hear about us from? Who invited you today?
I'm with BBNG.
Right. I think you're one of the office bearers there, right?
Yes, I'm an office bearer of Vadodara chapter.
Right. Great. So see, the 5 elements that we work on in the inner circle. The first one is opportunities, which are referrals, which happens in most of the networking platforms, and that is something which happens during the week. All right.
Right.
What we focus on is how we can strengthen the business at large. Referrals,
Right.
We go through our phone book, we have more than sufficient referrals for our own business. We don't even need to go out. Right? But what happens is, even if we get referrals, how to make more value out of it, that is something where we as businesses lack. So that is where we introduce this concept of the create session. I don't know whether you were there for the entire create session or not. So were both of you
Create
there?
session means
What Sonali ji was presenting now.
yes, that I was there. Hold.
Right. And Suresh ji, how about you?
I joined.
No,
I
was not
joined
there.
just a minute before that.
I joined when everybody was giving them the suggestions.
Okay, fair enough. So in create session, what happens is there is a business owner who comes up front, and he or she takes us through the business, and after that shares one challenge that they're facing in the business. And then all of us take the time to give inputs to overcome that challenge. Now, what happens is whatsoever challenge the person shares, that is our challenge. That is my challenge. May not be to 100% extent, maybe 80%, maybe 60%, maybe 200%. But so basically the inputs that we are getting, those are equally applicable for us. Right. So that is the second piece that we work on. Third piece that we work on is knowledge session. Now, these knowledge session, as you saw today, we have a lot of hitch in actually even specifying what is it that I want. Right. And if I'm not clear about what I want, how on earth can the other person give me what I want?
Right.
Right. So we're kind of bringing that, sensitizing ourselves into doing that, so that we start asking for what we need. That's the third piece. Fourth piece that we work on is the second degree contacts, the valued contacts. Right? As you saw today, when in both the create session as well as during the ask session, there were so many people who came up front and said that, okay, I'll contribute. So unless we are in that mode, it will not happen. So we go one step ahead, wherein I share who are my valued contacts. And anybody else who wants to leverage those, he can reach out to me, and then based on the conversation or the intensity, I can take a call whether to get them connected or not. So that's the second degree contacts. And the fifth element that we work on is the industry connect. So we're connected with quite a few industry associations. Many of our members are either leading some associations or industry bodies, or are members of those bodies. And we can leverage that for our business.
Right.
All right. So we would have access to more than 100 associations and chambers. So this is what is available to you when you are a part of the inner circle.
Right.
And in the inner circle, rather than asking you to come and network with the inner circle, we are talking about taking the inner circle and networking with the globe.
Right.
So right now we already have members from 4 countries in the inner circle. So we've got people from Australia, Thailand, Bangladesh, and India. We are in talks with some people in Dubai and Singapore as well. So I think we should have people from the 5 continents by 31st of December 2021. That's where we are.
Right. Good.
So any questions that you may have, any concerns that you may have to join the inner circle?
Not at present. See, I know the value of networking.
Great.
Because both the businesses are, I would say, 100% dependent on networking only. Because my activities are not marketing based activity or advertising based activity. They are more of,
and in your industry, in fact, both of your industries, you're not supposed to solicit business.
Yes.
And still you can't help without soliciting business.
That's true. So that is the most difficult part. So I have experienced that only the networking has brought the businesses, and being with people, that only brings the business. So
absolutely.
Even for today also, I had something in mind, but then I kept quiet because
what was this?
Being the first that Sonali is the presentation. I had some input to say, but I did not spoke only because it's today being the first day, and I decided to be a good listener than to speak. So that is why I kept quiet today. But yes, it's fine. There will be a lot of future chances when I will be sharing. So once I get, because I believe that in the beginning you should be a listener instead of start speaking. I might have lot different experience. I might have different exposure. I might have lot of different experience also. But for every new activity, there is something new. So knowing that new is my first goal. Absorbing that new is my first goal. And once that is done, then I will start increasing my contribution.
Awesome. So can we expect you to join Inner Circle?
Yes, I would surely try to do that.
All right.
I think it will be good if you can come for the next session and attend the full one. That would give you a bit more exposure of everything. And then from listening mode, you can also be in a giver mode also in that session.
Right. Right. Sure.
इनफैक्ट एक चीज मैं बोलना चाहूंगा मैं कि सर सब जगह रेफरेंस की बात होती है, ढेर सारे नेटवर्किंग प्लेटफॉर्म है और जहां डिस्कशन नहीं होता है कि जो आप ये जस्ट सोचो कि आपको लगा कि हम आपको सलाह दे सकते हो जो उनके लिए बहुत फायदेमंद होगा। अब अगर किसी बिजनेस को आप जैसा आदमी अगर 10 आदमी सलाह देता है तो ऐसे सलाह मिलते नहीं है कहीं। अगर गोयल साहब सलाह दे दें ये हैं तो आप सोचो उनके लिए कितनी वैल्यू हो गया कि अब ये वाली बात हर सप्ताह होती है और एटलीस्ट अगर हम 3-4 महीने में ऐसे 10-12 सेशन भी अटेंड करते हैं ना तो अपने बिजनेस के लिए कितनी सारी इनपुट मिल जाता है। और बिजनेस तो सब जगह होता है, रेफरेंस बहुत जगह होता है, बहुत सारे नेटवर्किंग साइट है जहाँ की बिजनेस होता है, रेफरेंस होते रहते हैं। यहाँ कुछ अलग है, अलग सिर्फ ये है कि आप एक देखो जितने भी लोग आपको ग्रुप में मिलेंगे ना कोई भी ऐसा नहीं है जो सेल करने के लिए आया हुआ, सारे एस्टेब्लिश्ड लोग हैं, काफी मैच्योर्ड लोग हैं। अतुल जी ने ये फिक्स कर रखा है किसी ऐसे आदमी को हम नहीं रखेंगे लंबे समय के लिए जो मैच्योर्ड इनफ नहीं है, जो गिवर नहीं है, जिनकी क्रेडिबिलिटी नहीं है। तो इनर सर्कल में ज्यादातर लोग अभी वापस जाकर आप चेक करना कि जो लोग हैं वो किस लेवल के लोग हैं, तो उनके साथ बैठ के जो हमारी अपनी जो रीच होती है ना वो एकदम हाई हो जाती है। पैसे के टर्म में नहीं कहूंगा, बाकी चीजों में। गोयल साहब को अगर ये मर्जर एक्विजिशन में है और हर कंपनियों की जरूरत है मर्जर एक्विजिशन, एटलीस्ट आज की हालात में सब
बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है। कोलैबोरेशन ही आगे बढ़ा सकता है। बट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इज मार्केट शेयर, इंक्रीजिंग द मार्केट शेयर।
हाँ, और यहाँ पर सर ना अगर आपको ऐसे लोग मिल गए और जहाँ गोयल साहब की क्रेडिबिलिटी बन गई है बातचीत से, इनके सलाह से, तो कस्टमर मांगने की जरूरत ही नहीं होगी, वो अपने आप इनके पास आएंगे। बिकॉज अब यहाँ पूरा टाइम मिलता है, बीएनआई में हम लोग हैं, वहाँ एक 30 सेकंड में आप बोल ये करते हैं। क्रेडिबिलिटी
मेरी प्रॉब्लम यही है, मैंने अतुल जी को बताया था कि मेरी आज फ्राइडे को बीएनआई होती है और मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेरी वो बांध रखा है। मैंने छोड़ी थी बीएनआई भी, पर वो अतुल जो हमारे अनुपम कौशल है और वो अंजलि ने मुझे बहुत ज्यादा ग्रिल करा कि आप छोड़ क्यों रहे हो, आप पकड़ क्यों नहीं रहे। उन्हें इतनी ऐसे ग्रिल कर दिया।
किस चैप्टर में है आप?
किसी चक्कर में नहीं, पीपल इज माय वीकनेस। मेरी वीकनेस तो लोग हैं। देखो जैसे उन्होंने बताया सुनील जी ने कि हमें क्या है, हमें सबसे बड़ा हमें क्या एंटाइज करता है पीपल। लोग जहाँ बैठे हैं हमें तो वहां पहुंचने में मजा आता है, सुनने में, करने में, नॉलेज शेयरिंग में, और किसी की हेल्प हो जाए तो उससे बढ़िया तो कोई बात ही नहीं है। मेरे तो पूरा दिन इसी में बीतता है।
गोयल साहब, मैं और चावला साहब दोनों बीएनआई साउथ में ही हैं, मैं एक्सुबरेंस में, दोनों ही एक्सुबरेंस में हैं।
अच्छा, वेरी गुड।
स्टिल मैं बोलता हूँ, मैं सबके अतुल जी को ही बोलता हूँ कि जो मजा यहाँ ई ग्रोथ में आता है ना 20-25
तो छोड़ना ही पड़ेगा ना फिर बीएनआई अतुल जी के लिए।
तो मैंने बाय द वे छोड़ दिया है अभी,
छोड़ दिया आपने बीएनआई
4 साल के बाद, तो खत्म हो गया।
मैं एक और चीज बताता हूं आपको,
बीएनआई ईओएस में हूँ बड़ौदा रीजन में।
इतने सारे होने के बावजूद ना स्टिल मैं बोलूं मैं बड़ा बढ़िया वहां से मैं बहुत अर्न किया हूं बीएनआई से। लेकिन बीएनआई में मैं इंट्रोड्यूस मैं ई-ग्रोथ के थ्रू ही हुआ था, मैं ई-ग्रोथ में आया था, किसी एक बंदे ने मुझे वहां इंट्रोड्यूस किया। तो उसके बावजूद जो यहाँ मजा आता है ना, मजा मैं सिर्फ इस टर्म में नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, फीलिंग जो इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग है ना, बॉन्डिंग सबकी, वो बहुत शानदार है। लेट्स एक बार फुल क्लियर करें।
हाँ जी,
ये ई-ग्रोथ कब चालू किया?
आइडिया 2014 का है जी। कंपनी 2017 की है।
अच्छा,
आप सर वन
तो
टू
इट्स
वन
अ
करें
प्राइवेट
क्यों
लिमिटेड
ना?
कंपनी।
या इट्स अ प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी, EVN लर्निंग
हाँ
प्राइवेट लिमिटेड।
हाँ ठीक है। अतुल जी से 1-to-1 करना पड़ेगा।
हाँ
ठीक है।
वो करें और वापस हम लोग चले हैं कि वहाँ बाकी लोगों से भी हाई लोग करें।
ठीक है जी, हाँ जी।
ठीक है जी, डन। ऑलराइट, थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
हेलो।
मेरे ख्याल से सब मीटिंग खत्म हो गई, हम
हाँ
महावीर लिख
हाँ, यही चक्कर होता है ऑफलाइन ऑनलाइन मीटिंग में ना, ये पता नहीं चलता कि उस दूसरे कमरे में क्या
सर
हो रहा है।
बैठे हैं नहीं बैठे।
ऑफलाइन होती तो पता चल जाता कि कौन
हाँ
क्या कहाँ पे बैठा क्या कर रहा
कहाँ
है।
बैठा है कहाँ नहीं बैठा।
तो एनीवेज we can close. Atul, you're on mute.
Yeah, sorry, yeah. So thank you for joining in and we look forward to। सुरेश जी आप अपना शेड्यूल का कुछ कर लीजिए, किसी एक आधे और उसमें चैप्टर में चले जाइए and we look forward to have you with
हाँ
us।
ऐसा कुछ कर सकते हैं, दूसरे चैप्टर में चले जाएं कोई।
हाँ वैसा हो
ये
जाएगा।
बढ़िया बढ़िया।
हाँ
ऐसा अलाउ नहीं करते बाय द वे।
नहीं करते।
ना,
अच्छा। तो एक बार छोड़ देते हैं, दोबारा ज्वाइन कर लेंगे।
6 महीने बाद होता है वो।
6 महीने बाद कर लेंगे।
3 महीने बाद।
चलो देखते हैं, करता हूँ मैं।
अब हमने अभी एक और को करवाया है।
अच्छा ये
अच्छा
मिथिलेश
वो
जी अनम्यूट है, अब म्यूट है, आप अनम्यूट करो मिथिलेश जी।
किस चैप्टर में है गोयल सर?
मैं अथीना।
अच्छा एथीना। मैं एक्जुबेरेंस में हूँ।
बढ़िया है सर, बढ़िया, फर्स्ट क्लास। तो आपकी एक्जुबेरेंसी कब होती है मीटिंग?
एक दिन पहले थर्सडे।
थर्सडे को। वेरी गुड। एक्जुबेरेंस में बुला लो हमें, तो हमारा काम बढ़िया हो जाएगा।
अगर वो मान जाए। एक्चुअली क्या ना इंटरचेंज वो नहीं करते जल्दी।
हाँ वो नहीं मानते तो
नहीं मानते।
हो जाती। ये तो लोग ना शिफ्ट करते रहेंगे कि 6 महीने यहाँ करा
खासकर
फिर कहीं और चले गए।
बड़े चैप्टर